Hello everyone. So today we will address a little issue that gives us a little bit of headache. So if you, for example, have Windows 10 or single session OS in your environment and you have the Citrix VDA agent 2203 CU5, then it is possible that you will encounter this registration state agent error. So this is an issue because if you have this state, a user that is now logged on, so if this state is created after the users log on, they have no issue, so they can work or do everything they want. But the moment they disconnect or not log off, because most of the users will not log off, they will just close it from here. If they want to get back to their machine, I will do that now. I will try to do that now. They will not be able to. So this will not give you the ICA file. It will just stay like this because the machine has an issue. So I've read something, a few articles online. There is already a fix for this, and it's a registry key that needs to be changed. I've already created a little PowerShell script that can, for example, check this state in your entire farm. So it will just generate a text file containing all the VMs that have this issue, and after that it will change that registry key in every VM that's in that list. So this part is very important, and we can test this, for example. So agent error, it will create this file. So let's delete it because I've already executed it once. Where is it? So in the output file we should see our Windows 10 VM. Okay, so this part is working fine. So you need this to start your script, and then the rest you just can create a script that just replaces that registry key, and I'm talking about this registry key. So under control set services CTX UV, and you have this setting, and this setting needs to be set to 0. By default it's set to 0, but for some reasons in the current VDA release, it on some VMs it automatically switches to 1, and if it switches to 1, it no longer works. So let's execute the script. This will only change that that registry. Wait, so let me also delete. Let me see if I have something here. Yeah, let's delete it so that we are 100% sure that the script is working. Okay, so fix. So it's doing the interrogation. It found the agent error registration. It found the value that it's set to 1, and it's updating to 0. So it's already updated, and this fixes the issue instantly. So if I go to my DDC, I should, if I refresh, I should see here registered, or maybe director does take a little bit longer. Register, and you also saw that the moment I registered it, I got the ICA file. So let's open it, because this will give us the access back to our VM. And let me also show you the registry entry. So as I told you, this is the path, this is the thing that I changed to the script, and this is the default, so it should be to 0, but we do not know, for some reason this changes to 1, not on all VMs but on a few. So yeah, this is the fix. You can do it manually, but yeah, it will take a lot of time. What I recommend you is to build your own script to test it, and after that, just where is it, my DDC? Just create a scheduled task and I don't know, execute it once an hour or something like that. If you have a big environment and you have a lot of VMs that have this state, just create a scheduled task on one of the DDCs and execute the script every hour, 1 time per hour, or every 30 minutes, and you will get rid of this issue until, of course, Citrix will fix the problem. They will probably release a new VDA agent. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel.